Ooh. Second attempt at the roast fish. Let's see it turn out this time. So right now I'm doing it a different method. If you know, it's have a piece of zinc on the top with some coal, because I used one of the file type of pan thing, and like I use no fire paper this time. So I try to get the fire on top of it. Alright, show you the reveal when it finish. So yes, it's time now for the big reveal. Have some of the great Excelsior water crackers. Well, me eat out some from last night. Alright, let's see what's going on right here. Don't burn me, no. Wow, hot. Ooh. 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 Hopefully it finish. Alright, let's see the big reveal. Ooh. Look at that there. Put this aside. Oh, wow. Just put some. That. That a go on. Right there. That is that. Tell me if you like the outcome. Yes. Wow. That and nice. Sorry guys, I can't show you my reaction, but trust me, tastes real good. Real good. Have some carrot, pumpkin, Irish, okra, sweet potato, callaloo, some other things in it, even cucumber in it. Yep, see piece here. Taste the fish now. Wow. Oh my god, would have to actually stop, eat and record again. This tastes so good, so amazing. My god, why you outdid yourself, youth?